Sumka, and it's a great feeling because yet another lady power has come into power. And I would like to, on behalf of everyone from Calangute, I would like to congratulate Filomena Madam for this achievement, and we always look forward to work under her, as well as our Sarpanch, who always is there as a guiding post to everyone over here. Congratulations once again. God bless.
इलेक्शन आणि त्यापासून आम्ही खुशी आणि आमचे फिलू is elected unopposed by the panchayat body. Earlier I was working under her, and now she is working under me as a deputy sarpanch. But when she was a sarpanch earlier days, I was a deputy sarpanch. So again, I welcome you, madam, on behalf of Calangute Panchayat members, that you will do a good job. You are doing good job, and I am happy about it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
I hereby declare that Srimati Filomena Rodrigues has been elected as the Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Calangute.
Almighty God, and I want to thank Sarpanch, Mr. Joseph Sequeira, and all my team who have found me capable for this post. Thank you very much.